Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I wax my vajayjay. Viewers discretion advised. If you're under 18, please click off this video. Hey guys, so yes, that clip you just seen was a clip of me trying, well I did succeed, but me waxing my vajayjay for the first time. Let me tell you, that experience was the most painfulest. OMG. I mean, just too much. But some way, somehow, I got it done. When I tell you towards the end, I was just ready to just go to the hospital, say, hey, is there any way you can just cut this on out, melt it off, because I cannot, okay? And as you guys can see, I was hairy because I, waited a while because I wanted to test out the product. Wrong. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. I suggest that you wait, like 2 weeks. But I went like a full 6 weeks because I was like, I want it to be like, nice. But no. I think it'll be better if it's like not that much hair, because I don't know. I just can't. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching my video. Comment down below if you've ever tried to do a waxing by yourself. Now, I can say that I would rather go to the spa and have somebody else wax me, because I'm not waxing down there by myself ever again. But comment down below. Let me know if you ever tried to do it by yourself. How was your experience? I mean, like, is there a way to make it less painful? Let me know. Give me some of the tea, okay? And again, if you're new, welcome. Make sure you press that subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for watching my video. And see you guys next time. Oh, let me know, like, if you guys are feeling like this eyeshadow look. Anyways, love you guys. See you later.